Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today, we're going to make a Hungarian coffee cake. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 2 large eggs, 5 cups of flour, 1½ cups of whole milk, 1½ cups of sugar divided, a cup of melted butter divided, 2/3 cups of brown sugar, light or dark, a tablespoon of cinnamon, a tablespoon of yeast, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, as well as some cooking spray. We'll start by warming our 1.5 cups of whole milk on the stovetop over medium heat until it's about 110 degrees Fahrenheit. About 5 minutes. It should be warm but not hot when touched. Next, we'll combine our 1½ cups of warmed milk in a large bowl with a 1/4 cup of our sugar and our tablespoon of yeast. We'll allow our yeast to bloom for about 10 minutes. While the yeast is blooming, we'll melt a 1/3 cup of our butter in the microwave in quick 5 to 10 second bursts. Once our yeast is bloomed, we'll whisk in our 1/3 cup of melted butter, teaspoon of salt, and 2 eggs. Then mix in our flour until a dough forms. Then we'll knead our dough for about 5 minutes, spray it on all sides with cooking spray, and allow it to rise for 2 hours or until doubled in volume under a kitchen towel. Toward the end of the rise of our dough, we'll melt our remaining 2/3 cups butter. Then we'll preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a separate bowl, we'll combine our remaining 1¼ cups of sugar with our tablespoon of cinnamon. Then we'll spray a 9-inch bundt pan with cooking spray. We'll punch down our dough and tear off pieces to roll into balls about 1 inch in diameter. We'll dip each of these balls into our melted butter and then roll them in our sugar and cinnamon mixture before placing them in our bundt pan. We'll continue this process until our bundt pan is full. Then we'll whisk our 2/3 cups of brown sugar and teaspoon of vanilla extract into what remains of our melted butter. We'll pour this mixture over our coffee cake, then we'll place it in our oven and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes before removing it from the oven and allowing it to cool for at least 10 minutes before turning it out onto a heat-safe serving dish. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.